Hello and welcome to Midas Markets Daily News. Let's kick off your trading day with the latest financial news and market headlines.
Hi traders, this is Jason with the market update. On Wednesday, the US dollar index extended its losing streak for a fourth consecutive session, falling as low as 97.46. This comes against the backdrop of the first US federal government shutdown since 2019. How long it may last remains uncertain. The deadlock could see around 750,000 federal employees furloughed, with daily wage losses estimated at nearly $400 million. According to the Congressional Budget Office. Key government services could also be suspended, including the much-anticipated jobs report scheduled for Friday. On Wednesday, during the European session, US WTI crude once again slipped below $62, touching $61.70 per barrel. However, reports of OPEC Plus boosting output were later denied, helping prices stabilize after 3 straight days of losses driven by supply concerns. OPEC Plus issued a statement on Tuesday dismissing speculation that the group had agreed at last Sunday's meeting to raise daily production by 500,000 barrels in November. This eased fears of oversupply. Gold surged sharply on Wednesday, hitting a fresh record high and briefly spiking to $3,895.2, just shy of the $3,900 level, before consolidating around $3,890 during the European session. So, since the start of 2025, gold has climbed more than 45%, with double-digit gains in September alone. Such explosive moves over such a short period have been rare in recent years. The Japanese yen extended gains against a broadly weaker US dollar on Wednesday, climbing to a near 2-week high at 146.6 during the European session. The move was fueled by growing market conviction that the Bank of Japan would stay on its path toward policy normalization and deliver a rate hike in October. In the meantime, the policy divergence is expected to continue supporting the yen and limiting upside in the USD divided by JPY pair. The euro held steady around 1.173 against the US dollar on Wednesday, after earlier touching 1.178. While the dollar remained under pressure from shutdown concerns, investors are still wary of disruptions to key US data releases, particularly employment figures that Fed policymakers rely on. Germany's August retail sales improved slightly, but still missed expectations on a monthly basis, while year-on-year data showed slowing consumer spending.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news.